Hi, it's me again. I just got a new camera today. Came in the mail. I'm super excited. And seeing as how I'm probably going to be up for the next 5 hours, also I feel like drawing, I thought it'd be nice if we could all stay up together. Also, I think it's hilarious that it's advertising the exact camera I just got twice.
Don't need an occasion like yesterday. I want to marry you. Just sat in the car, Birmingham Road, but I'm in that red room with you. Just sat in the car, Birmingham Road, but I'm in that red room with you.
I give up and my memory card is almost full, so good night.